We're gonna move on to our must-have to round out this hour. You know, it's cold outside, and when it's cold outside, we turn the thermostat up, and that creates a humidity problem because we drain all the moisture from the air, and when you drain all the moisture from the air, your lips get chapped, your skin gets dry and itchy, you touch things, you touch the cat, it gives you an electric shock, it's not good. We have our best-selling Hunter Ultrasonic Personal Humidifier for your bedside, for your kitchen, for the office, anywhere where you want to pump some moisture in for a healthier and happier home. The reason why we're excited, again, is not only the savings, but that free shipping. If you order today, it's free shipping. If you order tomorrow, it's not free shipping. My good friend Tracy Rosa is here for a real quick, like 10-minute special. But Tracy, it is cold outside.
It's cold, and I don't like to be cold.
I don't like to be dry.
Look at this. Purple used to be my favorite color. It used to be my favorite color, and then I see this, and listen, I don't like to be cold, and I surely don't like chapped lips. I don't like scratchy throats. I don't like dry noses. I don't like dry skin. I like my voluptuous hair, and I need moisture for all of that. And here is the deal. Like you said, we're turning the heat on, and that sucks the moisture out. So this is that perfect solution. You want to know why? No more filling up the tanks. No more. No more wicks. No more filters. No more trying to find enough space, because you've got these small humidifiers. But check out the punch. Look at the amount of moisture coming out of each one of these.
I know you can see there is a vast amount, but that's what made this Hunter Personal Humidifier famous. It pumps so much, and the contrast are, as Tracy said, the big, bulky ones that are a nuisance to use and operate. Very fast to go over the colors. You've got red, you've got white, you've got blue, you've got black. I believe we're calling this tan. And is this one what coral? Coral. I love this coral. It's everything you need on a flex pay of $8 and change. The thing is, you need to have one of these. It's not really even an option.
It's not an option, you know, and like you said, what is your alternative? The big, bulky ones, the ones that are not ultrasonic. What does ultrasonic mean to you? It's basically a dry moisture. I know that sounds weird, but it's a dry moisture. It's not gonna get your furniture wet. It's not gonna have that condensation. You don't have to worry about it dripping into the carpet or anything like that. One of the things that we get concerned about is that you need moisture, your pets need moisture, your furniture needs moisture. Everything is better with moisture in the room. And this, my friend, is so small that it fits in the palm of your hand. And it uses a water bottle. That's it.
Any water bottle.
Any water bottle, up to 20 ounces. And look at the amount of moisture and coming out of this. So you've got the wonderful dial right here that allows you to have as much on or as little, but again, it's gonna fit in the palm of your hand. So think of that nightstand. Think of what's on it. Do you have a lamp? Do you put your phone there? Do you have a book? Do you, look at, it's not gonna take up any space there. It's gonna be great in the living room, and it's going to be giving you all of that moisture right there. Great right there at the end table. And with all the great colors, it's gonna look perfect.
Well, it's fashion friendly. You can even travel with it. I mean, you know, when we traveled to Colorado, we took ours. We have the older model, but the joy of this is it's so versatile, and there's no using certain types of bottle. Any regular standard water bottle is gonna go into it. It's completely quiet.